Brian, so tell me what the apps you saw here and what their value is and what you thought was interesting here on the floor.
It's a wide variety of exhibits. There's some exhibits here like the Yahoo guys and the Intel guys are sort of talking about how apps are more than just on your mobile phone, right? We need to think about apps being on multiple devices, TV devices, netbooks, what have you.
The Atom processor is Intel's mobile processor, which today powers netbooks and tomorrow will power tablets, smartphones, and set-top boxes. What's a little bit different about Intel's Intel's app platform is that it's actually built onto the Atom processor.
Another group is folks who are offering sort of ease of development of apps, so making it easy to develop an app across multiple platforms.
Moby is a tool set to create native applications cross-platform using only web technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. You can see how the accelerometer here, we have a source code for it. You can pull that code into your application in JavaScript, HTML, change the background on your device. If you're looking at it in real time, you can see the functionality of this as well.
So we have a mobile application framework which allows users, a non-developer, to create mobile application without writing a single line of code. So this is a SocialBox application which was created within a week by doing drag and drop.
Third group that's interesting that we see on display here are folks who are playing around with the Foursquare check-in location-based genre, if you will.
Double Dutch has been described as a Foursquare for the enterprise or a Yammer for location. So basically what we do is we allow brands to build geosocial applications to reach out to their community.
FoundHop is basically a place where you can see what's going on at your campus and see where your friends are. It's now live at Harvard, Cornell, Stanford, Princeton, and UC Berkeley.
There's a number of folks here who are talking about how you can get an app promoted and how you get installs.
So at PlayHaven, we're setting out to solve what we see as a growing problem on mobile devices and platforms, which is discovery. So it's an SDK that takes about 10 minutes to integrate and allows you to place the More Games button on your game anywhere you want. Here's what happens when you hit the More Games button. It brings up the PlayHaven recommendation window.
I think probably the most interesting exhibitor I've seen so far is AppBacker, which is this interesting little marketplace where you can sort of buy, futures, if you will, in apps and sort of buy out the rights to a certain number of installs.
So AppBacker is a wholesale marketplace for app developers, and what we've done is allowed them to submit their app for wholesale, and a backer to come in and actually buy those units at a discounted rate, and they make a profit as they sell on the iTunes store. And the way this works is we want developers to develop and develop good products, and we want business people to go out and promote these apps and to help sell these apps so a developer can actually focus on what he does best.
And so that's sort of our breakdown of what we see on the floor here at AppNation 2010.